The reign of Bhandasura, born from the ashes of Kamdeva and empowered by boons from Lord Brahma, was marked by an era of darkness and chaos. The demon's rise to power disrupted the cosmic order, leading to an inevitable clash between the forces of good and evil. As Bhandasura's influence spread, the gods found themselves unable to curb his tyranny. His boons made him nearly invincible, and his mastery over Maya, illusion, clouded the judgment of even the wisest sages. The heavens trembled under his rule, and the gods, driven to desperation, sought a solution to end his reign. The gods convened the council in the celestial realms, their faces marked with worry and determination. Lord Indra, the king of the gods, spoke of the dire need to restore balance and pleaded for divine intervention. The assembly decided to invoke the supreme goddess, Lalita Tripura Sundari, known for her unparalleled power and grace. The gods performed a grand yajna, sacrificial ritual, chanting powerful hymns and offering prayers to summon Lalita Tripura Sundari. Their devotion and desperation reached the ears of the Divine Mother, who appeared before them in all her resplendent glory, adorned with jewels and radiating divine light. Lalita Tripura Sundari reassured the gods, promising to put an end to Bhandasura's tyranny. Lalita Devi summoned a divine army to assist her in the impending battle. The army was led by her chief commander, goddess Dandanatha, Varahi, and included other fierce warrior goddesses like Bala Tripura Sundari and Matangi. Each member of the divine host embodied immense power and unwavering devotion to the goddess. With her army assembled, Lalita Tripura Sundari marched towards Bhandasura's fortress. The skies darkened, and the earth trembled as the forces of light prepared to confront the demon's dark legions. Bhandasura, confident in his strength and boons, welcomed the challenge, believing himself unbeatable. The battlefield was a sight to behold, with divine and demonic forces clashing in an epic confrontation. Lalita Devi, seated on her chariot drawn by swans, wielded her divine weapons with precision and grace. Her presence alone instilled fear in the hearts of Bhandasura's minions, but the demon himself remained unfazed. The initial clashes were fierce, with both sides displaying extraordinary valor and strength. Goddess Varahi, riding her powerful buffalo, charged through the enemy ranks, scattering Bhandasura's soldiers. Bala Tripura Sundari, youthful and radiant, unleashed her energy arrows, creating chaos among the demonic forces. Despite the divine army's prowess, Bhandasura's boons and illusions made him a formidable opponent. He conjured powerful illusions to mislead the goddesses, but Lalita Devi's wisdom and clarity pierced through the deception. Her divine light dispelled the illusions, revealing the true nature of the battlefield. As the battle raged on, neither side could claim a decisive victory. Bhandasura's resilience and the gods' determination created a deadlock. The demon's confidence grew, but Lalita Devi remained calm and composed, her divine strategy unfolding with each passing moment. The first part of the war against Bhandasura set the stage for an epic struggle between the forces of good and evil. The gods, led by Lalita Tripura Sundari, were prepared for a prolonged battle, knowing that their victory depended on divine grace and unwavering faith. The cosmic war had begun, and the fate of the universe hung in the balance.